Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Dylan and Allie back at it again. And today we got a little product review. We just scooped this keyboard off of Amazon. It's a Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. And you know, I've been wanting a mechanical keyboard. You hear that noise? I like the noise that it makes. You know, it's got the buttons. It's the mini version, you know, for when you got limited space, when you got a big 55-inch ultra 4K taking up most of the room. So I just wanted to take this moment to make a review, shooting this on my iPhone 12 Pro Max in 4K. So hopefully the keyboard looks, you know, nice. And anybody searching this keyboard, interested in buying it, I just wanted to make a video on it. It's relatively heavy. Sorry, I got Spectrum pulled up. But it's got some weight to it now. It ain't going nowhere, that's for sure. And you know, on the back, on the back it says the Huntsman Edition, Tournament Edition. So I mean, you can see it's got the you can even see for gamers, by gamers, and printed in the back. It comes with a specific slot for it. It's got the raised up. I just noticed that making this review. It's got the you know, where you can flip it, baby, and raise it. Make it set up raised, little flaps. So if you want to do it like that, you can set it like that, and then it's kind of more raised. But you know, for gaming, it's ultra fast, bro. It's ultra fast. It feels good in your hand and whatnot, you know. And if you want me to do a review on that mouse pad and that gaming remote, I'll do that as well. If you guys put a link in the bio, I mean in the comments. I'm sorry, we just got off work. We've been taking them phone calls today. It's been kind of hella stressful. So, but I got a link in the bio below. I got this for $100, but I got it for $75 on Amazon. I got the link. So if you're interested in buying this keyboard, smash the link at the bottom. It's got the removable keys. You can pull these off and remove them, and order different colors. It's backlit. So I mean, I'm very happy with it, because before this I had a standard stock keyboard. I bought it at the dollar store for like $20 just to get me by. And before this I had I think a Razer keyboard, the one that had all the different LEDs. But for gaming, just pure gaming and just to get the job done, I mean, I cannot complain. It's got like a mesh to it, so it's got grip to it. So I give this keyboard about a 9 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? 9 out of 10, very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing keyboard. It's got the Razer logo right there. It's just, every time you look at it, you see something new in this little keyboard. And my only issue, for some reason, one of the eye came back. Well, it changes, it depends. Like some of the keys will be like a yellowish, but for the most part it corrects itself. It's got all the buttons except the little keypad, but you can get the raised one too. But if you guys are interested in getting this, check out my link below, or you can do your own research, find it. I'm doing this purely at just showing love to Razer and trying to get the word out on this keyboard. I picked it up and I'm happy with it. It weighs like a good 5 to 10 pounds. Like, it's got some meat to it, because what it is you can save your settings, your presets in the keyboard, and take it with you somewhere else. And you, instead of having to change the settings, it saves it in the keyboard. I think that's why it's got so much meat and potatoes. But yeah, this is our first review coming at you. We're gonna start reviewing more gadgets and gizmos that we get, giving our opinion on it. So y'all stay tuned for more. Subscribe for more tech reviews and electronic reviews. I may do one on the TCL Roku TV. But yeah, that's it. Y'all go check it out. Check out my link if y'all interested in a tournament Razer keyboard. Peace.